everyone, welcome back to my channel Real Beauty. This is Rosni. Today I will talk about a DIY winter skin toner which is beneficial for skin in winter. Already winter is incoming. Our skin feels contracting. Our skin is getting rough and dry. Today's skin toner is suitable for all skin types. Believe me, really you get a smooth and soft skin. Use it 2-3 times. It will rear you with a hydrating, fair, rejuvenating and glassy skin and tighten the skin pores and tone the skin. Quickly removes blackheads and blemishes. So let's see the process of making winter skin toner. I have taken almond oil, green tea, fenugreek seed, wash it properly, and saffron. Almond oil reduces puffiness and under eye circles, improve complexion and skin tone, treats dry skin, acne, helps reverse sun damage, reduces appearance of scars and stretch marks. Saffron can be an excellent natural ingredient for reducing pigmentation, brown spot and other skin blemishes. It also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which helps fighting acne and pimples. Now we will boil the fenugreek seed and green tea. I have taken half cup water. Now I will pour green tea and fenugreek seed in the water. Now I will boil it for 5 minutes. With its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial property of green tea, face toner can help blemishes, can help benefit your skin in variety of ways, and it is very beneficial in winter. The vitamin C in fenugreek seed helps give a glowing skin. It acts as a cleanser and also moisturizes the skin. Fenugreek seed reduces blemishes in the skin due to its anti-aging properties. It keeps the skin young and tender. See, the color of water is totally changed. Now I will let it cool. See, it has totally cooled. Now I will strain it. Now I will mix the almond and little bit of saffron. Mix them well. Now I will pour it in an empty container. Now let me decorate it. So finally my winter skin toner is ready. You can store it by keeping fridge for nearly 10 days. Hope you liked the video. If you do so, like the video, and it's my earnest request to you all to share with your friend and subscribe my channel for latest update. Take care. Always be well. Bye.